Hello everyone. So what we have seen that 92% organizations have a budget of less than $1 million and they use this. So before because they don't have the money, so they use spreadsheets and paper forms. And we have created Carevo, which fixes that problem. It's an AI management portfolio which replaces a Bontara app record and which just costs $7,500 a month. And we can do this in less than that with a lot of features such as photo intake form, voice intake, semantic search, analytics dashboard, and we can ask multi-organization support, event management, multilingual forms, and duplicate detection. So we have basically three roles: the super admin, then we have organization admin, and the staff. I will start with the super admin where we sign in. And over here, we can see that we have the dashboard. We can see what are the non-profits events which are going on and what are the recent events which are being done. If we go to the event and we can see the upcoming events, which what are there and what were the past events. Let me go and create a new event. And let's say I want to create we have some specific ones like blood donation, food assistance, but we need to create a new one. So let's go with the create new service type and we will ask, let's say, dental care. So over here, we will go and we will name as is it Chandler Center Care and event name as event date and create the event. We will add a client. So the next time what it will do is that it will create a form which would be AI generated and it is dynamic. So we can take a paper form, let's say this, and it will, okay, रुक जाना. And it will read the uh, it will read it. And if we go to the admin dashboard, you can see the organization name, email, and all the non-profits thing. In the analytics, we can see the total number of clients, service entries, events, and what are the breakdown. We can ask the analytics like how many uh, blood donation in 1 week. Ask that. Oh, okay, it say that there is zero because we don't have any data for that. And we can see the service entries in the last 8 weeks and what are the different type of clients which are there. Moving on, Himanshu will go with the staff.
Hi, sorry, I'm Himanshu. So let me, yeah, sorry. So let me just circle back to a few features here. First of all, we are enforcing RLS in Supabase. So it's like hierarchical order. You have a super admin who controls and sees everything, and then like organization admin, and the organization admin only sees the events which are part of the organization, and then you have like workers who are working at the ground, right? And so I know that one of the things that we wanted to do is to make it very general in nature, so that it like goes across the board, like everyone can use it, but also for specific events, let us say I want to like there's an event which for which we don't have the custom forms in Supabase, then you should also be able to create that those forms using AI. So this is what Hardik was showing you guys here. So if you go to events and new event, this feature here, like it just creates it takes the keyword inputs and uses Claude to create custom forms for you, and then those forms are actually saved in Supabase so that when next time you hit it, those forms are not created. Those become static and nothing is enforced. For instance, let us say I created a form, there are a lot of fields which we didn't want to fill in, so I can like skip those. So this is the, as Hardik said, this is the super admin. I can log out, I can sign out, and now As you can see, this says that I'm the organization admin right now. So this shows me the organization that I'm currently admin of. This shows me the events, the total clients that I have. And as I said, I know there are some regulations. For instance, there's HIPAA, and HIPAA specifically for medical records. We're not enforcing it. For given the amount of time that we had, we couldn't enforce it. But we are making sure that across the events, the details of the users cannot be are like not visible. Uh, so uh, for organization admin, the things are very similar to that of like super admin, but these are very limited to the organization level. Sure. Yeah. It also shows you if you have like any records. And one more important thing that I wanted to point out was where was it? If I go to clients, I can go to a client and I can basically see their service history. So it also shows you, so this client doesn't have like a service history, but if they had a service history, it like show you the chronological order where they went, what they did, and what all notes were taken for them, right? What else? Yeah. In terms of so you can download whatever analytics that you see for per client, per organization level, and the super admin, of course, like can download and see all the analytics which are shareable. Uh, yeah, that is it. If you guys have any question, I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Yes, right, right. So client doesn't have the. I know that we are gonna add that. So for instance, let us say there's an event, we'll have a dashboard, and as a client as in like the person who's like trying to get the thing like food or something, they will be able to sign up for that, and then it goes to the organization admin, and they can approve it. So that is something that we're gonna work on, right? So super admin can also do client management, but organization admin also can do client management. Yeah, the clients are, let us say there was an event, let us say food distribution, right? And there were workers. The workers are the people who are like the staff workers, and the clients are the people who actually receive the food. Yes, super admin is above all of them. Yeah. I couldn't show you guys the AI feature, but we have like the, as Hardik showed you, the voice assistant feature and also the image extraction feature. Thank you.